Hi guys, today we are going to see about how to install free SSL certificate for our website. For that, I'm choosing WordPress as my site. So since I have to show the basic things, I am creating a new website so you can understand better. So I'm installing WordPress into my site, and remember to choose protocol as HTTPS because you are going to install SSL certificate for your website anytime soon, right? So it will show as a trusted SSL certificate was not found. Yeah, and we know that. So install the WordPress. That's it. The WordPress is installed. Click it. So it will show not secure. Your connection is not private. So just copy the link and go to the website named sslforfree.com. Paste it. Okay. Now create free SSL certificate. Choose the manual verification. Click manual verification. So it's asking us to download two files. Download both the files. That's it. And then it is asking us to create a folder named .well-known, and under it asking us to create another folder called Acme Challenge. Okay, let's go to cPanel to create that. So this is the root folder of startupengine.com. Okay, I'm choosing the startupengine.com root folder and going to create a folder named, okay, going inside it and going to create another folder named Acme Challenge. Okay, the folder is created, and going inside it I'm going to upload both those two files here. Okay, so we have uploaded the files. Now go back to verify those files. Let's click the link. Okay, both the files are verified now, so that's it. Now download the SSL certificate. Copy the certificates. Just go back, click and go to SSL or TSL on the security section. Go to manage SSL certificate and select the domain. Okay, and add the certificates one by one on the three sections: private key and CA bundle. Install certificate. That's it. You see here it's showing a tick mark, so it is working. That's it. Now the certificates are installed. Let's check the certificates are working or not. Click. You see here it shows connection is secure. That's it. Your connection is secure now. So your website visitors won't get an security warning when they visit your website, and this website will be available for you for 3 months of security from the SSL So after 3 months, you have to renew the certificate. For that, create an account. So I logged in. You see here, it is saying that you will now be notified 1 week before the certificate is about to expire. So before 1 week, uh, during the expiring time, it will notify you to your email with the link to renew the certificates. You can follow the link and do the same procedure, and you can renew for every 3 months. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Keep on supporting. Follow my channel for latest digital marketing news, digital marketing insights, and how to use digital marketing tools and add certificates and work with WordPress and much more. Keep on supporting. Thank you. Bye bye.